Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm gonna show you Jabal Ruma, the hill of archers. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam injured at Uhud. Islamic history. In this history video, we take to you Jabal Ruma, the hill of the archers in Medina, the very place where Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stationed 50 archers during the Battle of Uhud. Discover how the course of the battle changed when the archers left their post, landing to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam being injured. This story a distinct reminder of obedience, of sacrifice and unwavering faith. Filmed near the secret ground of Uhud, this video bring history to life with heartfelt narration and visuals. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam injured but never defended. Let us never forget the lessons of Uhud. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share with your friend and your family. Location Jabal Ruma, Medina, Saudi Arabia. Subscribe for more Islamic history, a spiritual journey like this video. If you learned something valuable, comment your thought or those for our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Share this story to spread the wisdom of Uhud. Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and spiritual awareness. Historical connect is based on authentic Islamic sources and presented with utmost respect. No intention to the offend our miscreant. Now I'm going to show you. Use it as narration on screen text. In the secret land of Medina standeth a hill echoing with history, Jabal Ruma, the hill of the archers, a place that witnessed a crucial moment in the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the early Muslim middle during the fierce battle of Uhud. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed 50 skilled archers on the very hill. He gave it clear command: do not leave your post no matter what happens. But when the battle seemed on, many archers left their station. This shift turned the tide of victory into a painful trial. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself was injured in the chest. His face was wounded, his tooth broken, yet he remained steadfast, a symbol of courage and mercy. The lesson of Jabal Uhud lies on obedience, unity, and patience are keys to victory. Today, Jabal Roma stand was silent witness, reminding believers of the sacrifices and lesson of Uhud. A hill of history, a hill of honor. The morning sun rose over the plains of Uhud. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood before his army was and vigilant. He turned to the grove of skilled archers of painted to the small hill. Hold this position, do not move. Victory of defeat. Do not leave your post. This was Jabal Ruma, later known as the Hill of the Archers. The Battle of Turned. At first, the Muslim forced back the Quraysh army with strategy and unity. The enemy began to the retreat, and victory seemed near, but some of the archers on the hills saw the spoils of war. The battle was over and left their station. Only a few stayed. Among them was Abdullah bin Jubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, who cried out. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded, "Use not to move," but the majority dissented. This single act changed the outcome to Uhud. A painful turn from behind the mountain. Khalid ibn al-Walid led a surprise, severely attacked. The Muslim army was surrounded. Composition spread in the mind of the Jews. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was attracted. His helmet forced into his blessed face. Blood flowed. How can a people sourced who wound their prophet? A cry echoed in the battlefield. The prophet realizes even injury. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gathered his companions to regroup. With a broken, both wounded face of overbearing spirit. He is thought use lesson in leadership, mercy of endurance. This was not defeat, it was lesson for generation. 2. At Jabal Ruma, today visitors stand Jabal Ruma in hours of silence, reflecting on the mount that shaped Islamic history, and humble hill and meekly listen, obey Allah, His Messenger, stay firm of even when victory seems close. Jabal Ruma is more than a place, it's reminder to never abandon your duty. Jabal Ruma, also known as the Hill of the Archers, witnessed a turning point in Islamic history. Learn how to Prophet Muhammad was injured during the Battle of Uhud when a group archers disobeyed his command. This story teaches use obedience, trust, and the consequences of even a small action. Watch and reflect on one of the most emotional moments in the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Battle of Uhud was not just military event; it was diving test. On Jabal Ruma, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stationed 50 archers with clear command, but when the command was broken, tragedy followed. Discover that happened, how the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was injured in what it means for use today. Filmed in the heart of Medina.